Ali's here, and that means we're going to be making something from her home, Venezuela. What are you making?
Yeah, we are making cachapas.
What's cachapas?
Oh, cachapa is like a corn frita or like a sweet pancake. Oh, that's delicious. We're gonna fill it with cheese. I will show you. We're just gonna grind the corn.
Yeah, so just cutting all the kernels off.
Yep, really easy, really simple.
Yep. Now, Ali, tell me a little bit about your story. You're not a chef.
No, I'm not. Well, my life changed when I came to Australia. Yeah, actually, I'm a journalist. So I came to Australia and I couldn't find anything from Venezuela. So I got a little bit homesick. I didn't know how to cook. Oh my God. So I was calling my abuela, my grandmother, my family, learning how to cook, through Skype, Zoom, everything. And I went to study. I did a certificate on commercial cookery. And well, that's where all the passion about cooking starts.
I love it.
Now we have to blend the corn.
Okay. So
Excellent. So I'm gonna start putting the butter on the pan.
what are we blending the corn with?
We're gonna put the corn, a little bit of milk, papelón, rapadura, or if you don't have that ingredient, you can use brown sugar.
Yeah. Do you find it in Australia easier to find South American ingredients?
I love it, yes. You can find everything in Australia. Oh my God, I'm so lucky. If you go into the Latin shop, you find everything.
So you're never homesick anymore?
No, not anymore. And now I learn how to cook. So.
Exactly.
So, could you please add the brown sugar, the milk, and the flour? Just 3 tablespoons of flour.
So it's not too much flour.
Yeah, it's not too much. Some people, they add 1 egg, but I don't really like it. So my recipe is without egg.
And tell me the consistency that we're after with this.
For me, I love it when you have chunk pieces of corn on the dough. It is perfect.
Okay, I'm going to blend this until it's
Great.
consistency you're looking for. How does that look, Ali?
Ooh, that's perfect. Love it. Spot on.
I love that bright colour.
It is amazing. So let's cook.
Okay.
I'm gonna put butter on the pan because I don't want the cachapas to stick on the pan. And for me, it's nice because the butter gives you a little bit of, a flavor, a nice.
Yes, Ali, I'll give you a little secret about me. I love butter.
Same.
Lots of
I
it.
love it a lot. Butter with everything.
Exactly.
It is amazing. So let's move this, let's melt. Could you please break up the cheese for me?
Would love to, yes.
Thank you so much.
So what would you like me to do with the cheese?
Cut, a little bit, like a round pieces.
And is this one of those pancakes that you could have sweet or savoury?
Or savoury, yeah. Oh, yum, look at that.
Look at that, burrata.
That's perfect, because we're gonna put some pieces inside of the cachapa, and then we're gonna fold in half, and that's it, and the cheese, is gonna melt.
Okay.
Okay, this is ready.
Here we go. Nice big ladleful in there. It's kind of like a giant corn fritter.
Corn fritter, exactly. I don't want to put too much because in case, it's going to be raw inside and burn on the outside. This is the perfect size, the perfect amount, so we just wait for the cachapa to be ready. Okay. That's looking great. Now it's time to flip it.
Beautiful.
Look at that color, it is perfect. It's golden, it's no burn.
Yep.
That's it. Now we're gonna add the cheese.
Okay. And just little pieces?
Yep, little pieces all around this. In the middle will be great.
And we're using burrata, but you could use all
You
types
can
of
use
cheese.
any type of cheese. Don't worry about it. Feta cheese, burrata.
What type of cheeses do you get in Venezuela?
But in Venezuela, we use queso llanero. It's a really like a queso fresco.
Yes.
Feta cheese, really salty. Yum.
Yum.
You can put inside, you can put on the top, and then we want to put a nice topping, like a cream on top.
Yes, so you got sour cream over here.
Sour cream over here. We're going to add a little bit of lemon or lime.
Okay, so just a spoonful. So to make it extra tangy.
Exactly. A little bit of salt, and that's it.
Little bit.
We call this in Venezuela nata.
Nata.
But in Australia, you can't find it, so we have to make it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's kind of like a sour cream or a creme fraiche.
Exactly,
Very
yes.
tangy.
Exactly.
But to emulate it, you add lots of lemon juice.
Yep.
And salt.
And salt.
Okay, pinch of salt.
Perfect.
And I'll give that a mix.
Yum.
How's that looking?
Good. Look at this. It's melting. If you want, you can add more cheese.
You shouldn't have said that to me because I always like lots of cheese.
Same. You can also use like tasty, tasty cheese and whatever you found, whatever you find in the kitchen, whatever you have. Now I'm gonna fold in half.
Okay.
Just let's do this.
There we go.
Yes. So we have to cook for a little bit longer.
Yes.
Because I don't want, to be like raw inside.
Of course, yeah, because it takes time. And I think this is
takes
where
time.
you make sure that the heat is correct. You don't want it to be too hot, too cold, just at that medium heat so you get that golden exterior and then...
well done inside.
Yeah, fantastic.
Justin, this is looking perfect. So
Oh, yeah, lovely.
it's looking good. So let's just plate it.
Oh, you can imagine what this is going to be like. Gooey cheese in the centre.
Oh my God, I love it. You can put the cream on top or on the side. It's up to
Okay.
you. Yep.
So a little sour cream with the lemon through it.
Yummy.
A little dribble on top. Ooh.
Oh, too fancy. I love it. Look at that. Micro herbs to
I know you
finish.
love micro
I
herbs.
love it. Love it.
Purple against the,
Oh, that
yellow.
looks great. Look at that posh cachapa. Oh my God.
A posh capacha. I love that. I love
That's perfect. So it's now the time to try and let me know what do you think about the Venezuelan
Okay.
cachapas.
All right. A little bit of that cream. Ooh.
Oh my God, look at that.
Cheesy. I love that.
Oh, it smells amazing.
It does smell amazing. And it tastes so good. I love this. I love that it's cheesy inside. The sweet pop of the corn
Yep.
and the sourness of the cream is really nice. How do we pronounce this again?
Cachapa.
Cachapa.
Yes!
I got it,
fun.
finally. That is so delicious. If you like corn fritters, you're going to love this even more. Thank you.
Thank you.